Hey guys, so this video is kind of shitty, I know, but this is my Vloguary day 6. Not even my fault. This is Vloguary day 6. I'm sorry, I'm like trying not to cry anymore. And today has been probably one of the worst days I've ever been through for a while. I got woken up this morning by my mom saying we had to take her cat Bubblegum to the vet because she was puking up foam and couldn't control her bowels and was pooping everywhere. And it was like diarrhea and it was really gross. And we knew she was sick because of this. So we had to take her to the vet. And then we went out for breakfast and went to Walmart to get cleaning and stuff like that to disinfect the bathroom, the laundry room, so Shadow doesn't get sick. And we came home and I helped my parents clean. And we got a call from the vet saying Bubblegum had a kidney and liver failure and couldn't be saved. I'm sorry. So we had to go and say goodbye to her. So because she wasn't gonna be coming home, she would have me put down. So we went and said goodbye. She was like drooling and still poop was going from her butt. It was like covered in her tail and her paws were all green. She didn't even look like my kitty. It was probably the hardest thing I've ever had to do. I've had her since I was 4. My parents brought her home for me, I remember. And I named her Bubblegum because she had pink paws. And the bottom of her paws were pink, and I thought it was Bubblegum when I was a kid. And she's just always been around. She was here all the time. When I would be reading, she would come and sit up on my lap and cuddle with me. And I remember I'd get mad because she would always try to rub her face up against my book or my iPad or whatever I was doing. She would be on my lap when I was eating supper and just be always proud. So saying goodbye to something and a pet that close was probably the hardest thing. And I'm trying to think of all the great times, and I am. But this house isn't gonna be the same. But that's my Vloguary day 6. It's nothing special, but I love you, Bubbles. You'll always be my friend. And I can't wait to bring your ashes home, because you belong here. Not at the pets. You belong here with me. I love you all.